class. Please take your seats. My name is Javon Webster. I'll be talking to you about the system development life cycle. Now, a couple of things about the system development life cycle is that it's very much related to the IT profession. Now, there are different categories about the system development life cycle, which are ideas, planning, analysis, design, and implementation. Now, one of the big things about system development life cycle is that it's a very well-rounded system that allows IT projects to have the foundation of getting the project on its feet. Now, I don't know about you, but you probably often find yourself trying to get multiple ideas to get a project on its way. Maybe you're doing it for a homework assignment for class, or maybe you're just, trying to come up with the next new thing for Microsoft or Windows computers, or just Mac or iPhone or any IT device that you see out here. Now, you may find yourself getting so many different ideas, but as you get these ideas and you sit down and write these ideas down, you then start to develop a way of planning these ideas to benefit you. And as you realize that these ideas have certain technicalities that often offset the project. And this falls under the category of analysis. And what analysis does is to help you get your stuff in order, which is mitigating your costs and keeping your projects under the budget that you can afford. Now, design is about having the necessary materials that you will need to create your project. The materials could be, if it's a unique plastic or a unique metal or a unique software that is not as easily attainable within your community. Now, these are some of the key factors that you have to take into the development of your project. Now, implementation is about basically testing your project, making sure that your project is functioning to the standards that was declared when you first came up with this project at the ideas and planning phase, as well as the analysis. Now, when you're developing projects, there's certain things that you have to understand. Now, according to LAW 2013 System Development Lifecycle, as well as Ocean, BUSCA, Cost Benefit Analysis, the system development lifecycle has helped mitigate many costs, as well as help projects to actually becoming very much successful. Well, some of the huge IT creators such as Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, all started using the system development lifecycle. Now, they started with ideas, a few planning, and different analysis, as well as their different departments and their teams came up with so many different ideas that some of the times the ideas may not work, and some of the time you may actually get up to the design phase and realize that the project is actually going to be a failure. Now, the system development lifecycle is a design system to help the individual or business understand what steps are needed to get the project to at least 100%, if not even 100%, 95%. So that way the next time you'll have something to build on. Now, the system development lifecycle has helped many IT projects, which are security, creating databases, creating Windows computers, Mac computers, tablets, iPhones. These are some of the statistics that the system development lifecycle has had a hand in helping these huge IT businesses. Now, system development lifecycle is a great system, and it covers all the foundations that you will need to better the IT profession. Well, your IT profession. And I want you to take some time to read over system development lifecycle and how it betters the IT perspective. My name is Javon Webster, and thanks for coming. Thank you.